Sarah's going to graduate high school next year.
Oh, I'll get it. Well, I don't know if I can get out. We're having this family thing.
Cheryl, it's Friday night.
No.
We have to be maybe be there.
Wait a minute. I'll bring my cousin Joy along. Then we can get out.
Fine, bring her. We'll be there in 10 minutes.
My cousin is so FOB.
She's what?
Well, there's ABC and FOB. American-born Chinese and fresh off the boat.
Your cousin just got here from China?
No, she was born here, but she's still FOB. I gotta get back. I'll see you later.
Hey, see ya.
That was Debbie. She and Anita are coming over.
Cheryl, you know we have company.
I know. But Joy and I want to go for a walk. Don't you, Joy?
Wow.
We can do the dishes when we get back, okay? You and Aunt Catherine have your own stuff to talk about. Go on. I'll clear.
Well, okay.
Kathy, you can help too, you know. You gotta go. Come on, Joy. Oh, she must weigh at least 200 pounds.
300.
Oh, guess what? She tried out for cheerleader.
Oh!
Instead of trying out for the cheerleading team, she should try out for the weightlifting team. Oh, Joy. Hi. What are you doing here?
Hi, Cheryl.
Look, I'm going steady. Jim Billings gave me his ring last Friday night. Got the promise not to tell anyone. My mom would kill me if she found out. She won't even let me go on a date. Oh, don't tell your mom either. You've got to promise. Hope to die.
I won't tell. That's real, None.
So what are you doing here?
Nothing. Brother Murphy might be here.
Who's he?
Oh, he's a teacher. I read something in the newspaper. I wanted to talk to him.
Oh, boy, a teacher? That's weird, Joy. Real weird.